Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see, I know, shock, 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 we're going to take a look at another great everyday carry knife. Now this guy, as you can plainly see, I picked up at Walmart, and there's the one we're going to take a look at. I mean, you already know that by clicking on that thumbnail title, whatever. But man, this one has a pretty unique story, so stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you all about this guy. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I'm going to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very grateful for, your time. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time guys who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, take a look right down here. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up right down there. Go ahead, click on that thing, and it should bring up subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and you go feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Okay, now as you saw, we're going to take a look at the SOG Folding Aegis FL. Now here's the funny part. Alright, I looked at that, and I went, man, what a hell of a deal. Okay, I want to pick it up. I could find information on the SOG Aegis and the SOG Aegis FLK. But what I couldn't find is info on the SOG Aegis FL. I did a Google search, I did a Yahoo search, I did an AOL search, I did a Bing search. All I found was a couple videos of someone comparing this to the SOG Aegis. Now, for all you guys who know, SOG puts a lot of information on the back. Don't worry about that. We're going to get into this thing, pretty quick. Now, what kills me is, here's the blade, okay? It's seriously got a hefty weight to it. It feels pretty good in the hands. I mean, I do like the little bit of jimping here, and I love the stonewash finish. That and the price point attracted me to this blade. Now, what I found very funny is I mentioned the FLK a moment ago. The FLK is identical to this one, minus the thumb studs, and it has a flipper. That's the only difference. But okay, so let's get into the stats. It's got an overall length of 7.9 inches, closed 4.6, and the blade is 3.38. Now, most of that, came from the back. Okay? It does have a weight, like I said, of 5.1 ounces, so when it sits in your pocket, you do know it's there. Now, as you can see, it is a drop point style with the stonewash finish, and what would you expect for, as you saw, a $20 blade? It's 8CR13 MOV. I know, it's a good budget steel. It's not going to hold an edge forever, but it sharpens up pretty easy. Now, it does have a single position pocket clip, which I went, okay, no lanyard hole, alright. Right hand carry, tip up. As you saw, the dual thumb studs, and there is the frame lock, which you can see aggressively comes over and, it holds that pretty well. Now, it has a stainless steel frame, and it looks like they put a little bit of the stonewash finish on the stainless steel frame as well. Okay, now, this is not on SOG's website. It's not on Blade HQ's website, and I couldn't find it on Amazon. My money is betting this was made in China. And as you saw, at my local Walmart, it was $19.97 before taxes and like $21.71 after taxes. So it's a good budget knife if you're just starting or you want one to beat on. Okay? So now we're going to get to the fun part. All right, because I've been kind of curious about this. I literally just got this less than 24 hours ago. Most of that time was spent not playing with it, but trying to find info on it. So, hold on as I get something ready. Okay. Just real simple, heavy-duty stock paper, okay? Let's go real slow, see if we can get that curlicue going. Yeah, it went through that, no problem. I mean, there's a couple I don't know if you can see it too well, but there's a little couple. It doesn't look like it's aggressively pushing to one side when you go through the paper. So, no biggie, right? Alright, now let's go on to the fun part. Paracord pull test. No problem. Alright, let's go for 2 for a slice test. Whoo! Alright, let's go for 4. Not bad. Oops, sorry. Not bad. Now, Jason, bro, I don't know if you're watching this one, man. I gotta admit, I love it when you try to cut paper and it just makes me giggle. Basically, dude, all the paper cut is doing is to tell you the exact sharpness of the blade. If there's any micro burrs on there that you need to tear out, not tear out, excuse me, strop out or possibly resharpen, it just gives you a good overall look at how sharp the blade truly is. Now, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. And guys, by no way am I, calling him out or busting his ball. I am busting his balls for fun, but, not trying to degrade him at all. Wow. Right through that. Okay, so, for a pretty budget folder, it cuts pretty good. The only thing that has me concerned is, that's great, you're selling them in Walmart. Why can't I find more information on it? Why isn't it out there on SOG's website? As far as I can see, unlike Kershaw, there is no real designation here. See if I can't get that in there any better. But like you see right here, there's nothing in there that has like a WM on the bottom or anything on the back of the package that really says it is, Walmart exclusive. I mean, what kills me is they even give you the SOGknives.com, but you can't find the info out there. But with all that fun stuff being said, I don't know, here comes the fun part. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. You guys know I'm going to get back with you on that one. And yeah, I forgot the usual, is it a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb patch. So, you'll have to make do with me. I want to know what you guys think. Now, let's get to the fun wrap-up, okay? So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, man, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. It means the world to me that you chose it, and I hope I earn more of your time. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers, man, those of you who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, well, we here on the channel believe in second chances. Look down there. Should be a big channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you subscribe, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that is right next to it. Why? Great question, you guys. Because every single time when I upload a brand new video, it's going to let you, my amazing viewer, know there's a video out there. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on this side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the SOG Aegis FL Foxtrot Lima. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.